Today's video is mostly vlog style, as I met up with John from Adults Have Toys 2 in California to hopefully be able to get some drone footage of the Hollywood sign and also help him out with filming one of his videos. So don't skip around as we share our experiences and take you along for the journey. Let's go. What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, I'm actually here with John from Adults Have Toys 2. So check out his channel as well. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description for you. And today we are by the Hollywood sign and waiting on the park services to get back on whether or not we can fly here with my drones. Now I am a licensed pilot, so I'm hoping that I can go ahead and do so, but things are a little bit unclear, even though there are videos out of this particular location, and the FAA did go ahead and authorize me up to 300 feet, but I still want to go ahead and make sure that there's not going to be any legal issues with Parks and Recreation. Sir!
Yes, sir.
Hey, yeah, I was told orange truck, so you're with the Parks and Rec, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I asked the gal that was here earlier, I guess it radioed for you, and so I am a licensed pilot. I wasn't sure how it works here.
You can't fly them.
I'm from Phoenix, so it's like totally different.
Yeah, you can't fly them here. We're within 5 miles of Burbank International Airport. This is actually a flight plan right up here.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's Class C, but the FAA actually granted me access. So, but I know that you can dictate on whether or not I take off and land. So that's what I was.
You can't do that here.
Okay.
Sorry. The only park we allow any drone flying is the Woodley Flight Field.
Woodley Flight Field.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you could fly it anywhere there at the Woodley Flight Field.
Woodley.
Now that's on Woodley Avenue south of Victory Boulevard.
Okay, and so that's nearby?
It's not nearby, it's in the San Fernando Valley, at the Spokane Basin.
I'm from Phoenix, so I have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm Googling it here. So it's Woodley
Flight Field.
Flight.
But this whole area is off limits. All Griffith Park is off limits for UAS.
Let's scroll more.
Yeah, the Woodley Flight Field, I don't see it on there.
The Ranger?
Yes, can I help you, sir?
Do you know what a restaurant is?
The gas station at the bottom of the hill. Yeah, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you can't fly the drone here.
Okay, and then what cities are friendly, I guess?
I would not know. Like I said, the only place I know of in the city of Los Angeles you could fly it is the Woodley Flight Field in the Spokane Basin.
Gotcha. Okay.
Sorry.
All right, it's cool. Thank you, though. Appreciate it.
How are you?
Now, since I can't fly here, I'm going to go ahead and fake it using this giant tripod.
And we'll get our pseudo drone orbit. See how that looks.
Again, I'm Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously, and I just want to thank John for meeting up with me here in California. We're up here at the Hollywood sign here. Unfortunately, we were unable to be able to fly the drones here due to the park ranger saying that even though the FAA has authorized us to be able to do so, we are not allowed to take off or land from their property. So if you know any information about how to be able to film in this area using a UAS, please go ahead and drop a comment down in the section below, and maybe I'll go ahead and come on back. Now, I brought my family along on this trip, and so earlier in the day we went ahead and met up at Bob's Big Boys, the original one. It was a bit nostalgic. Well, we went ahead and ordered some burgers and other food from there and enjoyed each other's company. After that, we went on up to the park here, and now I'm going to go ahead and share a little bit of footage of my family playing, as well as some footage where I was helping out John record for one of his upcoming videos.
So one of the amazing things about the Galaxy S21 Ultra is that it has 5 cameras that all have their own particular use cases. And I was curious, what would happen if you tried to use the wrong cameras for the use cases? I have my buddy here from Shiny Tech Things helping out with the gimbal. But we're walking along and talking. This is how we would do it with the Selfie Cam. I can see what I'm doing. We get a nice wide angle.
So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out his channel.
Adults have toys too.
And I'm sure that you'll love it. I'll catch you in the next one.